Dear students, in this video I will teach you about the cantilever retaining wall, the preliminary proportions, design proportions. It is in Mumbai University Architecture course, semester 7. The subject is Theory of Structure 7. So let us have a look at the question first. Determine the suitable dimensions of a cantilever retaining wall which is required to support a bank of earth 4 meter above the GL. Unit weight of soil is 18 kN per meter cube and the safe bearing capacity 200 kN per meter square. Design all components. Use M20 concrete and Fe415 steel. Angle of shearing resistance is given as 30 degree. So let us have a look at the preliminary proportions of cantilever retaining wall. So you can see the diagram of a cantilever retaining wall. The vertical portion is called as a stem. So if you see in the diagram that the stem is tapered from top to bottom. So top portion, the thickness of the stem at the top, it is taken between 0.2 to 0.4 meter, but the condition is it should not be less than 0.15 meter. And at the bottom thickness of the stem is h by 12. Now what is h and how we can find it out? First of all, we have to find out the depth of the foundation. Depth of the foundation can be found out by df is equal to SBC by gamma within bracket 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi whole square. SBC means the safe bearing capacity of the soil. Gamma is the unit weight of soil. Phi is the angle of friction or angle of shearing resistance. So from the depth of the foundation, df we have found out. Now after that we know that how much the soil the retaining wall has to retain. So that height also will be given in the question. So we can find out the total height, that is capital H. Now after we can find out the capital H, now then comes that how we can find the length of the base slab. Length of the base slab, as you can see, capital B is equal to 0.4 to 0.6 into H. Now thickness of the base slab is H by 15 to H by 10. Now you can see that there is one part in the left hand side part, it is written as toe, and the right hand side it is written as heel. But it is nothing of that sort, that left hand side and right hand side. Heel is that part of the cantilever retaining wall, the side on which the retaining wall contains or retains the backfill. So the portion below the backfill of the base slab is called as the heel portion, and the other side is the toe portion. So also you can see over here that the projection of the toe slab is B by 4 to B by 3. So these are the preliminary step which I think you should note it down. Now we will solve the given question. So first given data is SBC is given as 200 kN per meter square, gamma, that is unit weight of soil, is given as 18 kN per meter cube, and phi is given as the 30 degree. So these are the given data. Now we start with the basic formula, depth of foundation. Depth of foundation is equal to df equal to SBC by gamma into 1 minus sin phi divided by 1 plus sin phi whole square. SBC value 200, gamma is 1.8, phi is 30. So if you calculate, it comes out to be 1.22 meter. So you can approximate it as 1.2 meter. So total height, how you will find it out? Total height can be found out by the depth of foundation and the height of the soil it is retaining, or the backfill. So that is 4 meter given in the question. So the total height is 4 plus 1.2, that is 5.2 meter. Step number 2, thickness of the stem at the vertical wall at the top, it can be between 0.2 to 0.4 meter as I have told you. So let us take it as 0.2 meter or 200 millimeter. Okay, so one thing we have to just check that it should be greater than 0.15 meters. So we have taken that, so it's okay. So step number 3 is the width of the base slab, that is the B is equal to 0.3 to 0.4 H I have told you. So let us take it as 0.4 H. So 0.4 multiplied by H has come as 5.2. So it is coming as 2.08 meter. Step number 4, thickness of the base slab, that is given between h by 10 to h by 15. So let us take it as h by 10. So thickness of the base slab TB is equal to h is 5.2 divided by 10. So 0.52 meter. And here also you do one checking that it should be greater than 0.3 meter. So it is okay. Fifth step, projection of the toe slab, that is B by 4. Okay, so B is 2.08 divided by 4 is 0.52 meter. And also one part we have missed, that is the bottom thickness of the stem, that is equal to h by 12. So h is coming as 5.2 divided by 12, that is 0.43 meter. So we can approximate it as 0.4 meter. So this is just the basic dimensioning of the cantilever retaining wall. This course or this video is meant for the architecture, Mumbai University architecture course. Please see my video on counterfort retaining wall also, and also the introduction to the retaining wall for the semester 7. I hope you have understood my this topic. So if you like it, please share it with your friends and put your comments in the comment box. And thanks for watching.